here I got a better Amazon package. Just more computer parts. I'm gonna unbox it right now. Still haven't got my refund on my motherboard yet, but hopefully I'll get a refund. Just can't believe I've wasted my money on a motherboard that broke. There we go. Hopefully I got the right RAM. Looks like I did. This is the Kingston Beast DDR5 RAM. Yep, I got the right one. Looks like it. 6,000 megahertz, 32 gigabytes times, it's 16 gigabytes times 2. Steel 40. Stupid fucking glasses though. How fragile those are. Fell right off of my fucking head. Prescription glasses are fucking overpriced. I'm gonna verify to make sure. Same thing. Apple products are not overpriced, but prescription glasses are. Fast food soda is. You can get like soda at the grocery store a lot cheaper. Well, some Apple products are overpriced. Their wheels and stuff for their Mac Pro computers. Looks like there's the same thing. Dropping shit there. Yeah. They're the same exact thing. KF560, just like that. C40, BBA K232. They both say the same exact thing. They're both made in Taiwan. No difference at all. They're the exact same RAM sticks. Like, no difference at all. There's no difference at all. But they're both good for Intel. So, yep, I didn't waste my money. They look very nice. I bought this back in December. I bought this just yesterday. So, yep, thanks for watching.